Yeah. Hello viewers, you're welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to find area and perimeter of a circle. Now look at this circle. We're given the diameter of the circle, 4 centimeters. And then we have to find the area of the circle and the perimeter of the circle. Okay, so what is the formula for calculating area of the circle? So we know that area of the circle is equal to pi r squared. But in this question, we have the diameter. Do you understand? The diameter. So how do you find your radius from diameter? Don't forget, radius is equal to diameter over 2. So your diameter is 4. So 4 divided by 2 will give us what? 2. So that shows that your radius is what? 2 centimeters. Okay, so we can now have our area to be what? Pi multiplied by 2 squared. So this will be equal to what? Pi multiplied by 4. And that will give us what? 4 pi squared centimeter. So that is the area of the circle. Now we also have to find the perimeter of the circle, which also means circumference. Okay, so perimeter of a circle is equal to what? 2 pi r. Are we together? So that will be 2 multiplied by pi. Then the radius is what? 2 centimeter. So 2 times 2 is equal to what? 4. So you have 4 pi centimeter. So that is the answer to the problem. Area is 4 pi centimeter squared, while the perimeter is what? 4 pi centimeter. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share. Bye.